Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about this computer use model, CUA from openAI. LangChain Graph has this package that is ready for you to use to directly work with this model, which is pretty cool. I highly recommend that you guys take a look. But I noticed something that this package is connecting to a certain third-party virtual machine browser. It's doing the browser automation. So I was thinking, is that possible to use this model to control my local laptop, my MacBook? Because the idea here is the same. You send a screenshot to Core model, and then Core model generates some computer to call. This is some action you need to make, and then you do the action, and then take the screenshot again. The loop continues. So based on that idea, I used this existing example code, and I've been fighting with the cursor a couple hours to make it work. I'm very excited to show you guys about the code that I have. And yeah, this is the code. So typically you need a couple functions here. You need like a handle model actions, take a screenshot, and this is the most important part, the use loop. Let's take a look the task I asked model to do. So I asked this CUA model to help me click Apple Terminal on the bottom left of my screen and type ls and then hit enter. To be honest, this is actually pretty hard uh, task for CUA model to do. So let's take a run together. Starting to connecting the model. Okay, it's opening the terminal, taps the ls. Whoa, it hit enter. That is pretty cool. Okay, I think the loop finished. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Here it's for the code part. The way I control my laptop is using this library called Python Auto GUI. It's a cross-platform library that can do some simple operations, click, move, wait, etc. And yeah, and also I have another function. This is not in the OpenAI website because I want to make sure that when I receive the message, like the when the item type is a message, I want to make sure this is asking me for the operation confirmation or not. And yeah, that's pretty much I want to show you guys. One question I found is that sometimes in the middle of the loop, it asks you whether you want to do it or not. This part I spent a very long time to make it work. I basically hijacked the conversation. I use what they call the human in loop thing to send them this message. Hey, yes, please proceed to finish the task. Yeah, that's about that. Oh, by the way, if you want to use this model, you need to be tier three. Spend $100 in your account in order to use that, which is I think it's worth it. Because it's pretty cool. Also, this model is out in the preview phase. You don't want to use this function to your real application. It's too soon to use that. But this opens a lot of opportunities on doors because let's say after 6 months, uh, this model will be in another level, and by that time, we can definitely start to use it. Yeah, thank you so much.